Cars lasting over 500,000 miles might sound like a myth, but for some vehicles, it's a proven reality. These high-mileage legends don't happen by accident. They're the result of a combination of smart design, disciplined care, and real-world driving conditions. And while most people assume it's all about the brand, the number one reason these cars go the distance might completely surprise you. Number 5. Highway miles versus city miles. Not all miles are created equal, and this is one of the most overlooked factors when it comes to long-lasting vehicles. Highway driving allows a car to operate at a consistent speed, which reduces stress on the engine and transmission. Instead of constant acceleration and braking, the engine can settle into an efficient rhythm that minimizes wear. Long-distance cruising also helps maintain stable operating temperatures, which is crucial for engine longevity. In contrast, city driving introduces frequent stops, idling, and gear changes that put additional strain on mechanical components. Over time, that stop-and-go pattern can lead to faster degradation of brakes, transmission parts, and even engine internals. A car that racks up 300,000 miles mostly on the highway may experience less wear than one with half that mileage in urban conditions. This is why high-mileage vehicles often come from long-distance commuters or fleet use. Another important aspect of highway driving is reduced cold starts, which are one of the most damaging moments for any engine. When a car is driven long distances, it spends more time fully warmed up, allowing oil to circulate properly and protect internal parts. In city environments, short trips prevent the engine from reaching optimal temperature, increasing internal friction and wear. Highway driving also tends to involve smoother throttle inputs, which reduces stress on components like pistons and crankshafts. Over tens of thousands of miles, these small differences add up in a big way. Even suspension components and tires benefit from the smoother conditions of highway travel. Drivers who frequently take long road trips often unknowingly extend the life of their vehicles. Ultimately, where and how miles are accumulated plays a massive role in determining whether a car can reach extreme mileage milestones. Number 4. Conservative driving habits. The way a car is driven can significantly impact how long it lasts, sometimes even more than the car itself. Aggressive driving habits like rapid acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed cornering place additional stress on nearly every component. Engines that are frequently pushed to their limits experience increased heat and friction, which accelerates wear. On the other hand, conservative driving allows the engine and transmission to operate within safer limits. Gradual acceleration reduces strain on internal components and helps maintain smoother operation over time. Gentle braking also extends the life of brake pads, rotors, and suspension systems. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, these habits can make the difference between a car that fails early and one that keeps going strong. Drivers who treat their vehicles with care often see far better long-term results. Another key factor is how drivers handle speed and engine RPM. Keeping the engine at moderate RPM levels reduces stress and prevents unnecessary wear on moving parts. Consistent, smooth driving also helps maintain stable fluid temperatures, which is essential for longevity. Drivers who avoid sudden throttle inputs reduce the chances of damaging critical components like the transmission and drivetrain. Even something as simple as allowing the car to warm up before driving aggressively can have long-term benefits. Conservative drivers also tend to be more attentive to unusual sounds or performance issues, catching problems early. This proactive mindset helps prevent minor issues from becoming major repairs. Over time, these small decisions add up to a significantly longer lifespan for the vehicle. In many cases, the driver plays just as important a role as the engineering behind the car. Number 3. High-quality engineering and materials. The foundation of any long-lasting car begins with how it is built. High-quality engineering ensures that components fit together precisely and operate efficiently from day one. Manufacturers like Toyota and Honda are known for their attention to detail and commitment to durability. Tight manufacturing tolerances reduce friction and wear, allowing parts to function smoothly over extended periods. Strong materials such as reinforced engine blocks and high-grade metals help components withstand stress and heat. These design choices may not always be visible, but they play a critical role in long-term reliability. Vehicles built with longevity in mind often have fewer weak points that could lead to failure. Over time, this results in fewer breakdowns and a longer overall lifespan. Quality engineering is one of the key reasons certain brands consistently produce high-mileage vehicles. In addition to materials, thoughtful design plays a huge role in durability. Engineers who prioritize reliability often choose simpler, more robust systems over complex, failure-prone alternatives. For example, naturally aspirated engines typically have fewer components than turbocharged ones, reducing potential points of failure. Cooling systems, lubrication pathways, and structural reinforcements are all designed to maximize longevity. Even small details like gasket quality and bolt strength can impact how well a car holds up over time. Vehicles that are engineered with long-term use in mind tend to age more gracefully and require fewer major repairs. This approach also makes maintenance easier and more effective. When quality materials are combined with intelligent design, the result is a vehicle capable of reaching extraordinary mileage. It's no coincidence that some of the most reliable cars share these engineering principles. Number 2, consistent maintenance. No matter how well a car is built, it won't last without proper maintenance. Regular oil changes are essential for keeping the engine lubricated and preventing excessive wear. Clean oil reduces friction between moving parts, helping them last significantly longer. Routine checks of fluids like coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid ensure that all systems are functioning properly. Replacing air filters and spark plugs at recommended intervals also keeps the engine running efficiently. Ignoring these basic tasks can lead to gradual damage that eventually results in major failures. Cars that reach 500,000 miles almost always have meticulous maintenance records. Owners who stay on top of service schedules give their vehicles the best chance at longevity. Maintenance is not just important, it is absolutely critical. Beyond routine service, timely repairs are just as important. Addressing small issues early can prevent them from turning into expensive problems later. For example, fixing a minor oil leak quickly can save an engine from catastrophic damage. Regular inspections also help identify worn components before they fail completely. Drivers who pay attention to warning signs, such as unusual noises or dashboard alerts, can take action before it's too late. Maintenance also extends to components like belts, hoses, and suspension parts, which all contribute to overall vehicle health. A well-maintained car operates more efficiently and experiences less stress over time. This reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns and extends the lifespan of critical systems. In many cases, consistent maintenance is the single most controllable factor in determining how long a car will last. Number 1, proven engine design. At the heart of every high-mileage vehicle is a reliable and well-designed engine. Proven engine designs are often simple, durable, and refined over many years of production. Vehicles like the Toyota Land Cruiser and Honda Civic are known for using engines that prioritize longevity over outright performance. These engines typically avoid unnecessary complexity, which reduces the number of potential failure points. Naturally aspirated designs, for example, eliminate the added stress of turbochargers and high boost pressures. Strong internal components, such as forged crankshafts and durable pistons, help the engine withstand years of use. Over time, manufacturers refine these engines based on real-world data, improving reliability even further. This continuous improvement leads to powertrains that are capable of extraordinary mileage. A proven engine design is often the backbone of a long-lasting vehicle. Another advantage of established engine designs is the availability of parts and knowledge. Mechanics are familiar with these engines, making repairs and maintenance more straightforward. Replacement parts are often widely available and relatively affordable, which encourages proper upkeep. These engines are also designed with longevity in mind, featuring robust cooling and lubrication systems. Consistent performance over hundreds of thousands of miles is a hallmark of a well-engineered engine. Drivers who choose vehicles with a reputation for reliability often benefit from this accumulated engineering expertise. Over time, these engines build a track record that reinforces their durability. It's not just about how powerful an engine is, it's about how well it can endure years of use. And in the world of high-mileage cars, proven engine design is the ultimate game changer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time.